what's in these boxes? Let's find out. What is going on, All Terrain Nation? Today on the channel, we are working with Diabolical Inc. That's right, we are partnered with Diabolical Inc. on a new security enclosure for the back of the Bronco. And they sent us one over to try with the understanding that we're gonna give an honest review of this product, and we'll go from there. Now, this will be a long-term product review, so don't expect my initial thoughts. They may be cool. Down the road, we may find problems with it, so I will let my audience know. So, the problem with the convertible top vehicles like this and the Wrangler are, when you remove the top, people can get in the back of the thing. The Diabolical, do they answer these questions? Do they make this where that if you need a little extra space, it's easily to do? Do they make it to where you can pop it off real quick if, say you're at Home Depot and you just need that little bit of extra space, or you're on the trails and you've got maybe you blow the tire, you need to throw something back there that's a little bit larger than the enclosure. Will it work with that? And are there any flaws? Are there great things about this? So let's find out. But first, we got to unbox this, and we'll go from there. Double box, man. That's pretty nice. And let's see if we can not damage this thing. Wow, that's awesome. Look at this. More foam padding. This stuff's not cheap, guys. So for them to care about their product, I know this sounds like I'm just blowing smoke up your butt, but I'm honestly blown away by the amount of thought they put into to protecting their product. All right, as you can see, look at that. That thing was well packaged. All the foam on that is really nice, and then they even went through and rewrapped the product after it's been foamed, because these are powder coated and you don't want this stuff to just kind of get scratched up and messed up. So Kelly, 1 out of 10, how did they do on packaging?
Oh, totally a 10.
Oh yeah, definitely a 10 on this one. All right, as you can see, look at the packaging. This is just like, it's like Inception, seriously, of package after package after package. Everything seems to be labeled really nice. Kelly is a package queen, so this probably impresses you a little bit, right?
Yeah, I'm super impressed.
Yeah, really nice. Even like, look, everything's just, this is how you package stuff, people. I'm telling you, man, they took the time. This is expensive for a small company to want to do this individual. They thought of where every part goes to put in the box. Really nice. All right, Kelly, we've taken our first bolts out. We've put our first bolts back in, and the process is really beginning. So yeah, you have to take some plastics apart. This is where the mount for the soft top is. We put this plate up here. Pretty simple. Obviously, this isn't a complete instruction. We're going to link Alan's video to Diabolical Inc's video to this, where you run detailed instructions, but he has a great video, so check it out when you buy this product. But you definitely, it seems like the quality is like really on par. Like the powder coating, everything is really nice. So yes, yeah, it is. I will say there are a lot of pieces to this. Take your time. We've been going through the video as each piece comes. We just pause the video, move on to the next place.
So just allocate yourself more time than you think you need for this.
Yeah, I'm definitely,
just because
so far,
there's a lot of pieces.
What do you think? Probably 2.5 hours.
Probably
maybe?
so, and we're only let's see, how far are we into the video?
Yeah, because
let's see, we are 46 minutes into an 1.5-hour video, so we're like halfway.
Yeah, but his video is real detailed. Now,
yes.
Now there's not instructions just yet, written instructions on his website, but he did promise us on his the live stream that he was going to actually do that, which honestly, his video is so good that I don't think you need it. But let's get back to installing this thing, and we'll let y'all know more. He seemed to have truly thought of everything, because we were shutting the gate, just checking this and going, oh, that might rub.
And I was like, don't slam it shut!
Yeah, that might rub. But no, it's not going to rub because Diabolical thought of everything. Alan is a man.
And they actually gave us extra to be able to put on the wing sides. No,
oh, okay.
On the wing sides, which is that part back there.
Oh, okay. Look at that. And it touches just a little bit, but the cool thing is the way the gate's angled. Look at that. Yeah, I'm putting pressure on it. You can't. I mean, if somebody eventually wants to break into your vehicle, they're going to break into your vehicle.
Or they're going to steal your truck.
They're going to have the tools for it. But this, look at this. This is pick up on it, Kelly. See what you think. Like, ain't going anywhere. So that's very, very awesome. What's official now? We've been diabolical. So you worry about, you got your windows out, you know, people can get in. If you didn't have this, guess what? You got something valuable back there. People can reach in and grab it. Well, you've got this enclosure now. Look at this thing. It's very nice. And the cool part is, if you look, it's sealed. So there's no way to, if they don't have the keys to get into your door handle, there's no way that they can get in this. Even with the soft top down, it's still secure. That you have to undo the latches for the soft top to able to access this, which I find to be really, really nice. Well thought out of, and a really cool product. So, panel removes. You can see it. That panel just pops out. If you need to get in there, you got your door for that. But once again, there is nothing blocking any of these little storage bins. And I mean, not that they're great. Like, I've got a ton of stuff I can put in there, but I do like that I paid, you know, $54,000 for this thing, and I can still use every bit of what I bought. There's nothing blocking my the little lassos here. So if I want to use this still, I'm not using this as a tie down point for, like I think the Ford does, is it has a rack that comes right here. You lose all this area and it cages this in. Easy access to all my stuff here still. And I think this is a home run.
All right, so one thing I really like, for one, you get 2 keys. So guess what? He has 1, I have 1. And there you go. Access to the back without having to go in the back gate and everything else that you need to.
Or if you have a little bit longer item that just needs to come through here, you got all this extra space. Now also, this whole system does come out quickly, so in case we were at the store, we just needed a little extra room for that big TV purchase or whatever. You're on the trails, you know, you need that big 70-inch TV, but all this does come apart. And notice that how there you can't get, if you wanted to unscrew this to break into it, well thought out, that there's no exposed nuts or anything that they would bother them.
The only thing that stays when you take up, because essentially you take this panel off. So you can take this panel off, so that way you can lay your seats flat if you need longer area, or like you said, the big TV. But you would, right here is where your install is. And what's great about this too is that it only used factory nuts or bolts that were already in there.
Yeah.
So you're not screwing into your truck, you're just using what's already there for you.
That's right. So that's pretty cool. And of course they got foam on there, so it's not gonna rattle. Close it up, Kelly, let's see how it works. Look at that, perfect. And we're good to go. All right, so there you go. So whether it be 2-wheel drive,
4-wheel drive,
it does not matter what you drive. And you're more secure if you're driving with Diabolical Inc. here on the channel. Peace, everybody. Love y'all.
See ya.